Welcome back, a little about a lot. Today we're going to work on these garage springs because we need to replace them. So I had one of these garage springs break, I think 2 or 3 years ago. Ordered a new one, so they're classified by basically color on the spring. And so the color originally was white, which is, I think, 110 pounds of working load for the springs. So we replaced both of them, and you know, it just doesn't have as much pull as the other ones. And so I think, well, it was working, it was doing okay, and then so eventually the garage started to not come all the way up. So it would come up like 2 or 3 feet and then stop. And so I would turn up the garage door opener, the intensity of it opening, and it seemed to work for a little bit. And now it's giving us more problems now than before. So sometimes it goes up, sometimes it doesn't. So when the wife gets home, sometimes she can open it, sometimes she cannot. So we're going to go ahead and upgrade this garage door springs with some yellows, which are, I believe, are 130 pounds of working, basically pulling pressure and pulling power. And so this is not recommended. I wouldn't try this, but if you were looking into installing some new springs or springs like this is a video for you. So the setup is fairly simple. You have this wheel here. You'll have to take this bolt and nut off, then remove the wheel, and that way you can get this off, slide your new one on. Then you have a cable that goes through your spring all the way up until it's attached up here. And so that's a pretty easy process itself. It just loops on the back end here. You just take the loop off and then you just get this off after you release some of the tension. So obviously what you want to do is open your garage, because if not, these are under tension, and this would make it much harder and much more dangerous. So in this scenario, the garage door is open. All we have to do is take this bolt and nut off, pass that through, the wheel comes off, and then we're going to slide this off, and then take this end off over here. The cable comes out. Then we're going to snake it through the yellow one, which is our new spring, put this back together, put the wheel back on, and we should be good to go. As you can tell, a pretty easy process. One spring out, one spring in, the other side, one spring out, one spring in. A couple bolts here and there, maybe some adjustments on your garage door opener, but pretty easy process. Short video, appreciate it. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one.